Ka Regional Committee na Ribhoi District balalam khmat do sembut Menteri Rangba ke Jelau ba Preston Tensong harengkat ki laingut ki MLA na Ribhoi District ki ba kentup UMLA ke Nongpo constituency ba Meral Bons Im UMLA ke Jirang constituency ba Sostenus Satun baru UMLA ke Mawati constituency ba da Sakhet Bha Lamare bad harengkat Menteri na ka Sarkar Jilla Assam Pijus Hazarika bad ki wei ki he Sarkar jong ka Jilla Assam Menta kasngi ka arfly tarik unai wing hakawat ka baar kila late here ban jureb sashaki south li kisnong ki bakan thup ya kasnong patgaw jimori gaw ka bakla para bat kasnong lengkhong ki ba kite kisnong ki dei ki badang hap ki benta khapot jong ki ar tli ki jilla kata hapadang ka jilla Assam bat ka jilla Meghalaya Habayo banyakran bat uway ni kirangba bala mikmat na kaliang kahima nong spung siemship uba mostarlin lingdo ulaya thu bakas nong lengkong hi kadang hap bet pura syaka hima nong spung nadu bala sengya kahima ulo ongru uba nadu menswa tat hadu menta kino ki project lani ki jingte ki pawan na kaliang ka Assam kin hap banpan jingbet lani shim ya ka NOC na kahima nong spung Hakaway pat ka benta hadin baladeb banjureb ya barok South Li Kisnong na kaliang usembut Menteri Rangba ka Jelau ba Preston Tensong habakran syakilal pathai khubor ulo ong ba ya ka jingjureb ka ba menta ka sngi on sara ya ka kaipot syabaro arngut ki Menteri Rangba jong ki ar jela bar hadin kata on sa pelong ya ka joint meeting hapadang ki ar sarkar bar on sala ban shim ya ka rai
I am a representative of Himanung Spung. I just want to tell the people of Assam and Meghalaya that this area is belong to our Himanung Spung right from the beginning, right from the 19 that we formed the Himanung Spung. This area is belong to us. That whatever the state government of Assam want to do any project work in this area, they used to take the NOC from the office of the Himanung Spung. That is from before they used to do in that way in any project work from the state of Assam they want to implement in this area. It is our office of the Himanung Spung. They used to give the NOC to the state of Assam, and now also I just want to tell to the people of Meghalaya and Assam that this area is belong to us, and if any people from this area they want to go to Assam, they can go, but the land is remain with us. The land should be with us. We have all the documents, we have all the maps, and all this area is under our jurisdiction, that is of Himanung Spung and also of the state of Meghalaya.
Okay, briefly, we wanted to conclude our inspection. So this is the last point where we visited the place. Okay. So first of all, to thank Mr. Hazarika, who represents the government of Meghalaya, as well as my colleague, myself from Meghalaya. We are here together with Mr. Hazarika, with his team, with his officers. And this again, I just wanted to remind all of you, this situation that we reach in this place, it is just because of both the Chief Minister of Assam and Chief Minister of Meghalaya. We wanted to resolve the issue of boundary in few places, and today is the last day for us where we visited these differences where we already have. So now I'm telling you, from the regional committee, both of us, we will prepare a report based on the facts, based on the sentiment of the people. We will send the report within 30th of this month to our respective chief ministers. From Assam, Mr. Hazarika, he'll submit it to the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, and then for Meghalaya, we will submit it to the Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya. And thereafter, there will be again a joint meeting between chief ministers, and they will take a call accordingly to this. So once again, I'm so thankful to the villagers. They were so cooperative with all of us. We have seen, especially today, 3-4 places we visited, and they spent their time, and then they really cooperate with us. They have shown their own sentiments. As I said to you, ultimately, we hope both the chief ministers will take a correct decision, the right one, which both sides will be benefited and also will be happy to all section of people and all the interests of the citizens of both the state, Meghalaya and Assam. Kami ke final, ke bangi ingin ong bangi sim bangi karai. Tian rei pi don kami bangin yo I katokan ni ka eka sentiment, ka eka jik ngau jongki nong sok stok. Hakini ki jaga. Tian nak ada ngau pi ngip masih banlek. Tu bangi pej atat. Ka eka mon ki babun ki balang. Tian rei kumo pi ki babun ki jaga ki long undecisive. La suduk bai ki bapli yang ni ki ong bangi don chan ni Meghalaya ro ka biang ni. Ki don cha Assam ro ka biang ni. Kada ko long namar ba ya ka property ka bagi don. Ya ka jaka ka puta ka bagidon namar ka sistem hangi hapo Meghalaya kalau ngidon ki sim ngidon ki hima nang tangi hir sapo sigirat hir sigisnong de ngangi skem ba ngi fulu ya kata sistem ka bajule nadu mensua hadu kini kiski ki bata nak da ko mopi nakaliang jogo regional committee ngim sim kai karai den rei ka bangin su submit pi ya report sekini ki ar ngut ki chief minister hakaba kadu maki kin sasim ya karai kabah kadu
Te habai de baki kot kisla bagi ni ki right bagi ni kisnong ki thau ki don baki pun pau bagi ki gi jaka ka jongki. Te hato halo kini ki kot kisla ki kandon nam ka jing bisar ka babni halo ya kini.
Kandon ke jing bisar ka babni. Kata ngau pi ngi ke kopi dingin bisar menia ki kot kisla.
Okey. Te habai de bagi ni ki pai ba ki ong badon ka jaka sapo Meghalaya la la sai ki ko ban sa sapo Assam. Ke nang kalian gas.
Ya kata ngau pi la de kila don jaka sa Meghalaya. Kamu kan nek kum tai. Namar bable yung pi la de kila don jaka kamu kila pendep yo proses prokoi ke sistem kum bakalong. Lem ta kum no yo jaka Meghalaya. Ke yo jaka Meghalaya kamu de lembah kisip. De lembah ka lembah kiklan. Kala menong ka rikraj, kala menong kerikur, kala menong krisim. Lem kum ta kum no kin yo jaka. De ya kata ngau pi sedit namar ngi kren suamenta ya kan ni ke isu ke boundary ke badon ki differences badon na pedeng joki ki bekwa ban lecha sha Assam don pedeng ki bekwa ban wan sha Meghalaya tinga trai kata ke di isu ke bak mada re ya kalan isu ngong pingi hap ban ya tik kat kum ka lantin yo system ke bangi don hang ne po betu
আমিতো জবৰদস্তি কৰি অসমত দেখাটো ঠিক নহয় আৰু আপোনালোকে যদি অসমত থাকিব খুজিছে মই ভাবো মেঘালয় জবৰদস্তি কৰি ৰাখাটো ঠিক নহয় গতিকে এটা ডিসিশনটো ল'ব লাগিব সেই কাৰণে আহিছো মুখ্যমন্ত্ৰী ডক্টৰ হিমন্ত বিশ্ব শৰ্মা ডাঙৰীয়া আৰু কনৰাড চাংমা ডাঙৰীয়া আমাক ইয়ালৈকে পঠাইছে আজি আমি সিদ্ধান্ত দি যাব নোৱাৰো আজি আপোনালোকে যে ঝিমিৰি গাঁৱত ক'লে যে আমি অসমত থাকিম কিন্তু আমি সিদ্ধান্ত আজি দিব পৰা নাই আমি ৰিপৰ্টখিনি নি আমাৰ চিফ মিনিষ্টাৰক মই দিম আৰু মেঘালয়ৰ চিফ মিনিষ্টাৰক আমাৰ ডেপুটি সিএম ডাঙৰীয়া দিব তাৰ পাছত আমাৰ মুখ্যমন্ত্ৰীসকলে বিভিন্ন আমাৰ ৰাজনৈতিক দল অসমৰ বা মেঘালয়ৰ গুৰুত্বপূৰ্ণ যিসকল সংগঠন আছে দল আছে সকলোৰে লগত আলোচনা কৰি এটা সিদ্ধান্ত ল'ব কিন্তু মূল সিদ্ধান্তটো মই আকৌ কৈছো মূল সিদ্ধান্তটো আমাৰ ৰিপৰ্টৰ মূল সিদ্ধান্তটো আপোনালোকৰ সিদ্ধান্ত এটা আপোনালোকে থাকিব ক'ত খুজে ক'ত থাকিব খুজে অলপ কনফিউজন গাঁওখনত they are confused you want to still
they are waiting for the committee and the expression and from the kingship Dongsprung kingship of what they have explained in this area sir it asked what from the kingship have explained from the Assam government if they construct any development like road they are asking permission from the kingship of Dongsprung. That is very true and we have also the proof in documents and here in the border areas we have many schools UP schools of 7 LP schools of 6 that is under SSA government's LP school of 5 under Meghalaya government and we have many teachers which the government of Meghalaya is taking care of and the people of border, they are equally treated as the people of the state of Meghalaya. Even though we are border with Assam, but still, government of Meghalaya is doing so much work here. We have this combined water scheme, Baklapara, which we are going to inaugurate, and including from the SRWP and from the KHATC. So, as we have seen that people, we have interacted, and we have seen that not only now, but from before also, many people, they like and they are very thankful to the government of Meghalaya, because the government of Meghalaya is equally treated to the people of border without counting that they are from which tribe. So only this few words, sir. I just want to highlight about the programs, and I would just want to highlight about the people living here in the border. Thank you.